don't want to feel so emotional right now. I don't want to feel so sad. But I just want to use my situation right now to speak to someone who is expecting to hear something like this. If you have ever lost something special to you, if you have ever put in so much effort trying to build something, and all of a sudden it just seems like that thing is being taken away from you without even taking any permission from you, just know that you are not alone. There is someone who is currently in that situation with you right now, and that is me. I'm just at the point I'm feeling like it's all over. I'm just at the point I'm just feeling like I'm giving up. But you know what? I'm not gonna give up. Not now, not ever. Until I'm done achieving my goals. Welcome back to my channel. It's Emilia David, and if it's your first time spotting me, I'm Emilia David, and I just want to use this privilege to speak to anyone who is going through any form of challenge right now. Whatever be the situation you are in right now, and you are just looking for someone you can just lean to tell you soft words, to tell you how strong you are. I'm just telling you right now, you are strong, you are special, you can do it, and no one can ever do it better than you. You are you, and no one can ever be you. Whatever it is that you are going through, just know that God got our back. We are strong, and we are going to be stronger. And one thing I am telling you and telling myself right now in this my current situation is that God always take away something special from you for a purpose. God always takes something special from you to give you something better. If you have lost something special in your life, let me tell you something, God is about to give you something more better. And one thing I want to also tell you is that if you are doing something so consistently, putting in so much effort, and all of a sudden it seems like your effort is just fading away, I want to tell you that you are just at the point of success. Once you are experiencing something like this, just know that your success time has come. So without boring you with too many words, I just want to share my experience with you. I know that most of you must have known me from my previous channel, but if it's your first time spotting me, this is Emilia David, and I'm so excited to have you here. So in today's video, I just want to share with you why I'm rebranding, why I'm starting afresh, and why I chose to start afresh on this particular space. I know most of you must have known me, like I already said, from my previous channel, but that channel is just there. Imagine a situation whereby you spend lots of days, lots of nights, lots of efforts building something, and all of a sudden that thing is like it's being taken away from you. Though I don't see it that way, because I see it like there's always a blessing from every disappointment. Few weeks ago, I was firstly forced to pause from creating content in my previous channel. And if you already know me, you know that most of my videos, I don't create them because I just want to create content. I create content with a lot of value, and I create content with the mindset of the situation of people in the country today. So I'm not just that type of person who will put on camera and begin to talk rubbish. But all the same, I will not blame my misfortune on this platform, because I see the whole thing as being my fault as well. So if you have observed, you see that in my previous channel, all of a sudden I stopped posting. It wasn't intentional, and I want to also apologize to most of you who have been hoping so much on my videos to earn online or to make money online. Here is my reason. 2 weeks ago, I was, let me just use the word, I was forced to pause creating content, because in one of my videos, the last video before I was forced to go on a 2 weeks break, I created that video and I actually forgot to put a disclaimer, and that's what you should know about creating money making videos. You have to always put a disclaimer. Make sure the tags you are using are not tags that will raise eyebrows from the owners of this platform. So that was the mistake I made, and immediately I was I was forced to go on this break. But one thing I have come to realize from this is that you don't have to build your home on another man's land comfortably. It seems I was so comfortable on this platform. So one lesson I've learned is just to make sure I'm building an empire elsewhere. In case anything happens, I can have something to fall back to. So I asked myself during that period that I was suspended, what if I had no other platforms where I earn from? What if I have no establishments elsewhere that I earn from? What would have been my faith? So imagine such scenario. Then another lesson I have learned also is to make sure that whatever I do them the right way. It said that whatever that is worth doing is also worth doing well. Then, without boring you too much with so many words, I just want to tell you that whatever it is you are currently going through, if you are currently experiencing losses, you've been making so much effort and none seems to be working for you, I want you to know that it is time for success. Once you are putting in effort and it's seeming like nothing is working for you, that is the right time you are about to succeed. So just know that whatever God is taking away from you, He is going to replace it in a more better way. We have not lost our previous channel per se, but for now, I'm not going to be posting frequently on that particular channel. So if you are expecting me in that channel for now, please let's be here. And if you have ever genuinely loved me, you have ever genuinely loved what I do, and you have ever benefited from what I do on this space, it is time for you to return that love by clicking on that subscribe button. And you can also alert one or two friends you know to come and also join us here, because on this platform we are going to do it again, we are going to build again, and we are going to build a more better platform now. I have learned from my mistakes, and I'm assuring you that such will not happen again. I'm going to put so much of my effort this time to make sure that we build a better platform for ourselves and Nigeria and the world at large. We're gonna build something better for everyone, because I really want a situation whereby if I'm not able to make you completely financially stable, at least I'm providing something that you can earn something from. So that's just the way I see it. Please, if you have ever experienced something like this, a situation whereby you are building something and it just seems like your efforts are just a waste of time, please let me know in the comment section. Tell me kind words, tell me sweet words, because at this moment I'm feeling like giving up. At this moment I'm feeling like maybe there's nothing this platform has for me. But when I look at the so many lives who are looking up to my channel, when I look at people who are putting in so much effort in what I'm teaching here online, I see it like, even if I don't have to do this for myself, let me do it for someone. I'm in here to support you in that aspect. I'll make researches, find platforms that really work, that really pay, and I'll come over here and share it with you. But I'm just assuring you that this time around, we are going to do it better. We are going to do it stronger, and we are going to grow even more better. And you know, I cannot do this alone. I need your full support. I need your full encouragement. The best you can do for me is just to subscribe to this channel. Whenever I share my videos, leave positive comments, like my videos, and with this we are going to grow even much more better. And I'm promising you that I'm going to be bringing real updates. Like, if you already know me, you know that I don't come here to just share things that I'm not sure of. If you check all my videos in my previous channel, you will see that I always share things that I'm sure of, and that's the more reason why you need to support us. Let us grow together on this channel. So that's it, just it. If you have questions you want to ask me, maybe questions you asked in my previous videos, and because I'm not fully there, I couldn't answer them, I can answer you right now. This is where we are going to be for a very long time. So let's build this channel. We can do this again, guys. Love you so much, and I will always love you.